Okay, palakpakan muna natin ang mga participant natin for the 7th traditional program, okay? Alright, okay, syempre, palakpakan muna natin ang first participant for the 7 Roses to see Manalita Yin.
I would still hear you if there were no tears.
Sige po sa'yo natin ang ating birthday celebrant. Oh, parang naiiyak agad si Lexie.
Even if the sun refuses to shine, in it from
Alright, next participant na si Mark Angela Yin. Palakpakan po natin.
Just a gentle whisper told me that you're gone.
Alright, and next participant na si Emmanuel Yin. And go, dance po. And next participant for the 7 flowers na si Mark James Gutierrez. Wow! Ang palakpakan naman po natin. Alright, okay. Wala po niyo po iwanan. Diyan lang po muna hanggang wala po kasunod na. Okay, next participant na si Xavier Gabriel Yim. Oh. Magka-cramping ka kuya, magka-cramping yung ganun no? Hey, that's mahawak sa bewang. Ayan. Parang nagulat siya, oh kasama ko. Alright, next participant na si Lexian Maureen Nazar. Alright, ito na siyempre ang last participant. Walang iba kundi ang daddy ng ating birthday celebrant na si Alexander Nazar. Siyempre, kita-kita naman natin ang saya ng ating birthday celebrant. birthday! Happy birthday! Alright, kids and adults, sabay-sabay po tayo say happy birthday, Lexi, and go!
Happy birthday, Lexi!
And come on, are you ready? Pagbilang namin ng tatlo, Ate Lexi, pablaw ng candle. Ready? And 1,